It is the 4th of January 2026. I got myself a face cam. That's there. Okay, so obviously I didn't post every 2 days, which I should have, but I have made some significant improvement in terms of UI. I haven't done so much logic after all. Yes, so pretty much most of the stuff I did in the last 4 days since the last video are mostly UI content. Built up most of the the app itself space. So the idea was some sort of a Reddit style application for every class or course in a university. So this is all for RMIT. So you could open something like software engineering fundamentals or process and tools, and then you'd have all the posts come up. That's kind of the idea we were going for. It's mostly just UI components. There's really nothing much to explain over here. It did take a bit of time to get the entire UI thing sorted out, but I think it's okay. There's still a little bit of improvement to do here and there. These sections I still have to work on the UI and stuff. It's just all placeholders. Yeah, these buttons have been implemented, so the numbers are still not actively querying the database. There are the database has been set up itself, but the buttons are still not working. These are just placeholders. We did get the posts sorted out, so you could fetch posts by trending. So that does it at the moment. It does it by seeing the highest upwards. I am trying to implement some sort of like a view counter where you uh, calculate the most trending post by seeing by figuring out which post is being viewed a lot more compared to the others. And this is by date, of course. And then we can also submit a post. So these are posted by me. These are anonymous users, so on and so forth. You can join a course. So the idea is that you would come up and search a course. So let's say something that's not over here. Programming project. There we go. So you go to this some sort of like a Reddit-like structured page where this is about programming project. Obviously, there's supposed to be posts over here. For the moment, I haven't really posted anything over here. And then you would sort of join this class, and then that would come up on your side pane. So as you can see, programming project over here, you can always come up to programming project, see what's trending. If you have any questions, you can post it on that. That's pretty much what I've done so far in the last 4 days. So not a lot in terms of like logic itself, but just mostly UI components, and making a lot of system design and architecture decisions. But that's pretty much it.